So guys, this is Hannah the elephant, and she's one of the daughters of the mother that we just saw. And she's huge too. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. And she's just like moving around, trying to find the different grasses and plants here. What are these plants called, guys?
There's a variety of plants at the moment. So there's some wild mint.
Wild mint?
It's basically fever bush, and then there's some lemon bush. And
I think she's eating mint right now because that kind of actually smells like mint. That stuff that she's putting in there right now.